Very good afternoon, students. Myself L.K. Tripathi from LBM Public School. Dear children, we shall discuss about the new topic, that is Geography Chapter 5, Our Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? We shall see through this video. Our planet Earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air held by its gravitational force. We call this its atmosphere. The planet where we live is surrounded by a thick blanket of air. ये बहुत ही थिक ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर से जो है घिरा हुआ है और इसमें ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस क्रिएट होती हैं जिसे हम एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ गैसेस सच एज नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑर्गन and others in varying proportions. Different types of gases are available in the atmosphere as named above. Though some other planets also have atmosphere, the Earth's atmosphere is unique as it contains gases with life-sustaining properties. It has the gases, they are life-sustaining properties. Without these gases, life is not possible on this planet. For instance, अब उदाहरण के लिए हम देखते हैं, द ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इज एसेंशियल फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. Oxygen is such a thing which is required for all the living beings on the earth. The Earth's atmosphere is positioned between the earth and the sun. It acts as a sort of filter for the rays of the sun that reach us, thus making life possible on earth. ये ऐसे पोजीशन में है अर्थ और सन के बिल्कुल सही पोजीशन में, जो एक फ़िल्टर का काम करता है. जो भी सन से रेज आती हैं हमारे पास जो पहुंचती हैं, जिससे हमारा जीवन यहाँ पर संभव होता है. मीन्स सो दैट द लाइफ इज़ पॉसिबल ऑन द अर्थ. कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर. व्हाट इज़ द कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर? The atmosphere contains a number of gases. Comprising nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and certain other gases in smaller proportions such as argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, krypton, oxygen, hydrogen and ozone. Such types of gases are there available here. A substantial amount of water vapor is also found in the atmosphere through evaporation of water in the oceans, lakes and rivers. Its quantity varies due to the phenomena of evaporation and condensation. The atmosphere of the Earth also contains particles of dust, dirt, salt, plant, pollen, bacteria, and even soot from fires. Up to above 80 km from the Earth's surface, the composition of the atmosphere remains the same. जब हम अर्थ के हाइट से 80 किलोमीटर चलते हैं ऊपर, तो एटमॉस्फेयर क्या होता है? सेम होता है. लेकिन इसके ऊपर क्या होता है? ऑक्सीजन लेवल और नाइट्रोजन डिक्रीज हो जाता है. 800 किलोमीटर ऊपर एटमॉस्फेयर क्या करता है? ये लाइट गैसेस कंप्राइज करता है, लाइक हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम. See the composition of air. This picture is clearly defining. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 20.9%. Now the next, significance of atmosphere. एटमॉस्फेयर का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? द एटमॉस्फेयर प्लेज ए क्रूशियल रोल इन सस्टेनिंग डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ ऑन अर्थ. The main advantages of the atmosphere are briefly discussed below. What are these? Oxygen is one of the most important components of the atmosphere, which help to sustain life on Earth, as well as aids in combustion of fuel. This is such a useful and important component of the atmosphere, that is oxygen. This is very important and essential for life. Nitrogen is crucial and necessary for the growth of plants. It is also used to produce various compounds which are useful to man in a variety of ways. Next, carbon dioxide is absorbed by plants which use it to make food through the process of photosynthesis. Moreover, it also controls the Earth's temperature by absorbing the heat radiated from the surface and keeps the Earth warm, which is referred to as the greenhouse effect. This is very harmful gas for the human on the earth. That's why atmosphere is such a thing which controls the temperature by absorbing the heat radiated from the surface. Ozone, a gas which is present in a very small proportion in the upper atmosphere, absorbs most of the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. जो ओजोन लेयर है, ये जो हार्मफुल अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज सन की है उसको एब्जॉर्ब करता है और हार्मफुल रेज को हमारे सरफेस तक पहुंचने नहीं देता है. Water vapor helps to keep the earth warm and also sustain life through the hydrological cycle. वाटर वेपोरेशन भी जो होता है हमारे अर्थ पर, ये भी अर्थ को गर्म रखने में बहुत मदद करता है और लाइफ को भी सपोर्ट करता है, जिसको हम हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल कहते हैं. The dust particles which are present in the lower atmosphere act as condensation nuclei around which the evaporated moisture in the air condenses, leading to cloud formation. Thus, it plays an important role in causing precipitation. ये precipitation में भी जो है बहुत ही यूजफुल है. Next, the atmosphere acts as a protective shield, guarding the earth against falling meteorites that mostly burn out when they enter the atmosphere. Sound waves are able to travel due to the presence of air. Hence, we are able to hear each other. Radio waves are reflected back to the atmosphere, which enables satellite communication. This is also helpful for the satellite communication, sound waves, that is. Now, structure of the atmosphere. What is the structure of atmosphere? The atmosphere extends upward to a height of 1,600 km and gradually thins out into space. एटमॉस्फेयर एक्सटेंड करता है लगभग 1600 किलोमीटर हाइट पर और धीरे धीरे ये जैसे स्पेस की तरफ जाता है ये थिन होता जाता है। एज द अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन, जैसे जैसे अर्थ जो है सन के तरफ घूमता है। इट्स एटमॉस्फेयर मूव्स अराउंड, इसका एटमॉस्फेयर भी इसी के साथ घूमता रहता है। Since the Earth's gravitational pull is greater near the surface of the Earth, the atmosphere is densest in the lower layers, and as we go higher, it becomes thinner or rarefied, finally merging with outer space. The atmosphere has five layers which separate the Earth from the extreme and inhospitable climate of space. एटमॉस्फेयर में 5 ऐसे लेयर हैं जो अर्थ को सेपरेट करते हैं, जिसमें इनहॉस्पिटेबल क्लाइमेट का स्पेस होता है। इसमें ये मेन क्या क्या हैं इसको हम देखते हैं। ट्रोपोस्फियर फर्स्ट देखते हैं। The layer closest to the Earth, the troposphere, is a region of rising and falling air extending up to a height of 13 km at the equator and 8 km at the poles. A mixture of various gases in different proportions. The troposphere is the layer of air closest to the ground in which all life forms thrive. All weather and climate changes like fog, rainfall, lightning, cloud formation, snowfall, thunderstorms, etc. also take place in this layer. The troposphere is the densest layer of the atmosphere, in which 75% of atmospheric mass is concentrated, and the air pressure drops with increasing altitude. The temperature in this layer drops uniformly at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters of altitude, which is known as the normal lapse rate. It absorbs the maximum amount of heat radiated from the surface of the Earth and keeps the Earth warm at night. The tropopause acts as the boundary separating the troposphere from the stratosphere, wherein the temperature stops decreasing. Dear students, we are stopping this video up to here. In the next video, we shall observe and see the next topic. Till then, goodbye. Do the last work according to prescribed by your teacher, and rest is okay. Study carefully. Thank you.